They represented the investigation of constructive and technological parameters of an energy-efficient screw oil press. At the current stage of economic evolution, in the conditions of the need to transfer the state's economy to an intensive path of development, the most rational use of production potentials is an urgent problem. One of the main tasks of sustainable food systems is the implementation of new technologies for the processing of agricultural products in the conditions of enterprises and farms, as well as the production of small-sized, low-energy consuming equipment for completing technological lines. All known types of screw presses can be divided into three groups: presses for preliminary and final removal of oil and double-acting presses. The geometric parameters of the oil presses, the kinematic and energy indicated, are determined by the physical and mechanical properties of the oil-containing seeds. Oil presses that are used in the conditions of farms that process small volumes of sunflower have a number of disadvantages: low yield of oil in one pass, increased time spent on cleaning the press from clogging, which contributes to a significant decrease in the productivity and demands to manually push the oil cake from the hopper into the receiving and preparation chamber. On the basis of the investigation of theoretical provisions of the process of oil separation by pressing sunflower seeds and engineering calculating methods, it is proposed the constructive and technological parameters of an energy-efficient screw oil press. There was a theoretically justified methods of calculating the constructive and technological parameters of the screw press, conducted the factor ranking. The insignificant factors were excluded from the further consideration. In the investigation, we used the methods of generalization of theoretical and laboratory experimental studies, mathematical modeling of the process, substantiation of the method of processing experimental data, solution of the optimization problem in determining the constructive and technological parameters of an energy-efficient oil screw press. The material is fed into the receiving hopper, which is crushed by the refilled rollers. The gap between the rollers is regulated depending on the physical and mechanical properties of material. In the hopper, the sunflower pulp is subjected to moisture and thermal treatment with steam. The yield of the oil increases. After the moisture and thermal treatment, through the loading hole regulated by the valve, the material is sent to the middle of reception and preparation chamber, where it is captured by the turns of the screw shaft and moves to the exit. Depending on the state of the pressing material, the pressure in the working chamber is regulated using the adjustable knob. Steam generator consists of steam atomizer, heat exchanger, turbo electric heater, expansion tank, hydro groups. The use of steam generating device in the design of screw press will contribute to the intensification of oil separation, to increase its yield, and will extend the service life of the structural elements of the machine. The purpose of the research was to check the technological reliability as well as quality indicators of the technological processes according to three optimization criteria: maximum oil yield, minimum energy consumption, and maximum press productivity. There is presented a ranking diagram of factors that affect on quality of work. The most important are the length of the reception and preparation chamber, the material moisture, the heating temperature, the screw rotation speed, the linear speed of movement of screw shaft turns. According to the two-dimensional intersection of response surfaces, the zone of optimal combination of factors is limited by the arcs of the oil yield, energy consumption, and press productivity curves. The yield of the oil will be in the range of 45–50%, the energy consumption not exceed 59 kilowatts, and the press productivity will increase to 260 kilograms per hour. The analysis of the results of experiment demonstrates the high quality of indicators of the technological process when the length of the reception and preparation chamber is 560 millimeters. It is possible to achieve an oil yield up to 50% with an equipment power 55-60 kilowatts and productivity of 260 kilogram per hour. Humidity in the range of from 9 to 15% promotes better oil separation. In order to achieve better values of the quality indicators of the technological process compared to the two previously considered options, it is necessary that the length of the reception and preparation chamber be increased by 280 millimeters. As a result, it will be obtained more qualitatively crushed mass, and the pressing temperature is in the range from 105 to 130 degrees. The selected combination of factors corresponds to the figure limited by the shaded area. The curves of oil yield is 50%, energy consumption 55 kilowatts, and press productivity 260 kilogram per hour. The special feature of the design of screw oil press is that the steam atomizer is installed in the receiving hopper under the refill rolls for carrying out moisture and thermal treatment. The energy consumption of the pressing process is mainly influenced by the independent factors: the length of the reception and preparation chamber, the material moisture, the heating temperature, the screw rotation speed, the linear speed of movement of screw shaft turns. The purpose of research is to check quality indicators of the technological process according to the optimization criteria: oil yield, energy consumption, and press productivity. The most profitable constructional and technological parameters of the screw press have been established, namely, the length of the reception and preparation chamber is 560 millimeters, the moisture content of the pulp is within from 9 to 15%, and the pressing temperature is 130 degrees. At the same time, the yield of oil is from 45 to 50%. Thank you for your attention.